Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am showing you how to convert your boring taskbar into a cool, interesting one. This is how my taskbar is displayed before the changes. And this is a glimpse of what it will look at the end of the changes. I am using a Windows 11 laptop right now. Let's first go to taskbar settings by right-clicking on the taskbar. Now, let's first move the main components of the taskbar to the center using the taskbar alignment. This setting is relevant to the widgets button shown here in the bar in the left corner. Let's switch it off. Now, my target is to reduce the number of icons in the taskbar. This part is related to the Task View button in the taskbar. Task View is a feature in Windows that allows you to manage your opened applications and virtual desktops, as well as a history of recently opened files. I am switching it off too. This setting is related to Copilot button. Copilot in Windows is an artificial intelligence assistant that's integrated in Windows 11 to enhance productivity and creativity. Let's switch it off. This means the relatively big search bar appeared in the bar below. Let's switch it off. We anyways can find the search bar by clicking the Windows icon in the taskbar. The rightmost part of the taskbar is called the tray icons. We can remove the icons which we don't need. The removed icons could be found in the hidden icons menu. We can hide the hidden icons menu too, but then we can't access the hidden items when in need. So I prefer not to hide it. Other than the above, you can customize other taskbar settings from here. Select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. Means this. It will show the desktop and minimize all the windows. And here, this is your creative and personalized taskbar. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful in giving your taskbar a fresh and stylish look. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy customizing.